Arjun and I will show you how to make simple marks easily at home. For that I am using my always black tape, both-sided tape, scissors, elastic and unfiltered paper. Now I am cutting the border of this vest. I cut out the border of this vest and I can also use this as an elastic because it is more flexible. Now I am cutting the portion of the cloth by 40 cm and 60 cm. As I am going to make a medium size marks. Now I cut out the cloth like this and I am placing the filter cloth at the center. Now I fix the filter cloth with the help of both-sided tape. Now I am going to place the filter cloth over it. Now I am placing the elastic like this and after this I am folding the side of the cloth. Now I am going to fix the border of the cloth with the help of black tape. I am using all the tapes instead of stitching materials. My instant marks is ready and I am going to put it on my face like this. Everyone, I am Arjun and I will show you another easy way to make an instant marks. For that, I am using this small socks as I am going to make a small size marks and a scissor. Now I cut the border of the sock. Now I am folding the socks like this and I am also cutting this portion. My new marks is ready now. My marks is ready. I am going to put it on my brother's face as it is a small size marks.